your girl Diavian, and I am back with another video. Today I will be reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So starting out, I'm just taking my Morphe eyelid primer and I'm just working that in on my lids, making sure it's well blended with the concealer. So now I'm going to be jumping into the Subculture palette. I'm going to be taking the shade Rowdy and I'm going to apply that in my crease. So now I'm just taking this burgundy shade All Star and I'm going to be packing that on top of the shade Rowdy in the same area. And yeah. So next I'm going to be taking this lovely blue shade here. I'm going to be applying that on the inside of my lid. I don't know if I said it, but the color is Axis. So yeah, I'm just going to be packing that color there, and yeah, pretty much. So now I'm taking my blending brush and I'm just going to be blending the two colors Rowdy and Axis together. And y'all know how important the blending process is, so don't forget to blend. I can't stress that part enough. Next, I'll be using my angled brush. Also, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond, if I'm not mistaken. But I will put the product in the description. So yeah, I'll be using this to cut my crease. So now I'll be going back into the shade Rowdy, and I will be applying that in my crease again, just mainly because I want the new wave color to really pop. I want it to be a really matte cut crease, so yeah. Now I am going in with my flat brush, jumping into the new wave. Y'all don't talk about my palette. My friend broke it, but it's still usable. I've been saying how I need to go and get another one, but that's besides the point. But yes, I'm jumping into new wave, and that will be the matte color applied to my lid. So for my foundation today, I will be using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Mahogany, and I'll just be applying that all over my face, of course. So next, I'm just going to be taking my beauty blender. Don't judge that either, y'all. I'm just going to be taking that and blending in the foundation even more. Again, I'll be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond and applying that underneath my eyes and really in my T-zone area. Now I'm just going to be taking my foundation brush and blending that concealer out. And again, in the step after this, you'll see me take my beauty blender and blend it out even more because that's just what I do. Here's that beauty blender step again. So I'm going to be taking this beauty blender and blending that concealer out even more. Taking my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Dark Chocolate, I'll be using that for my contour shade. It is time to bring the beauty blender back out, so I will be using this beauty blender again for my contour shade just to blend that color out. Now taking my angled brush in my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond once again, and I'll be using that to finish my brows off. Again, you guys know what time it is. It's time to bring the beauty blender out. I'm going to be using this to blend out that concealer with my brows and making sure that color is just well blended out. Want everything looking smooth together and as one, of course. Now I will be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the shade Bronze, and I'll just be applying that for the highlight on my nose. I had a brain fart, y'all. Bear with me. Now taking my MAC Gold Deposit, I'll be applying that on my cheek for my highlight. Now taking my LA Girl Full Coverage Powder. If that's not the right name, I'll be sure to put it in the description, but I will be using this to set my face. So that's what's going on here. And guys, set your face before you put the highlight on. Using my powder brush, I'm going to be taking that and brushing off all the powder. Alright guys, so this is the finishing look. What y'all think? But no, for real, I really like this palette. I watched a lot of reviews before I even got the palette. But yeah, I was saying I've seen a lot of negative reviews about it, but if you know how to work it, you know how to work it. Like, if you're good at your craft and you're good at makeup and you know what you're doing, you'll be able to still get a lot of uses out of it. You know, pros and cons to every palette, but I mean, I feel like the pros outweigh the cons in this case. I don't know if you guys noticed in the video, but once you put the product on, it stays. Like, you put it there, it's movable, but once you put it there, it pretty much is in that area. So you have to know how to work it. But if you're good in your craft, then it shouldn't be a problem. From reviews, a lot of people were saying that it's a lot of fallout, and I just heard a lot of bad stuff. But I still purchased it because I like the color scheme in the palette. I thought it was cute, and I was like, I'm gonna see for myself, Like, I'm gonna see for myself. And I did. I see what they're saying, but like I said, if you're good in your craft, then it shouldn't be too much of an issue. And again, like I said, I like the colors that they incorporated in this, Lord. And on top of that, y'all, I know my palette is half broken. Like, and this is not my fault. My friend dropped it, and that's how this happened. But I can still get some looks out of the ones that are usable. And I'm glad I managed to get a look out of the new wave before it's all gone. And due to the fact that it's almost all gone, I'm probably going to be purchasing this palette again. I like it that much that I would repurchase it. And yeah, so like I said, my pros outweigh the cons. The colors are cute, and if you know how to work it, you can work it. I just like this palette. Like, I don't really have too many bad things to say. 14 colors in this palette, and you can create a lot of looks. Like, I'm just looking at it, and I haven't picked this palette up in months, and I just did this. So yeah, I definitely would say it's a go. You can also find this palette if you're not trying to pay $45, $50 plus for the palette at Sephora or Ulta. You can go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and I'm sure if you look hard enough, you will find it, because I went into like Marshalls, I think, and I seen it for like $25 after I already purchased it. But I'm probably gonna go back and see if they still have it, because yeah, my palette's almost gone. So yeah, I don't really have too many bad things to say about it. I love this palette. If you're looking to purchase it, go get it. I say see for yourself and see how you like it, because I love it. I'm probably gonna purchase this palette again. So more of the story, get it. And you know, if you look at other reviews and you feel otherwise, then hey, you know, you do that. But I'm not sponsoring this or anything, but yeah, that's really all I have to to say about it. Like I said, you have to go ahead and remove the product, because once you put it on, it stays in that spot. Like wherever you put it, it's gonna stay. And other than that, it's not that bad. It's not. So I say go for it. Yeah, that's really all I have to say about this. So that really concludes my review / my tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next video.